Hi, on our screen today we have the question and it says what value of d would make the quadratic equation below a perfect square? The quadratic equation they provided below says m squared plus dm plus 49 equals to what? 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. They say that what will I fix here? What will be the value of d so that will make the quadratic equation become a perfect square? Now, if you have been following me, I gave you two conditions that must be seen for you to say that the quadratic equation is a perfect square. The first condition said what? It said that the first term and the last terms must be perfect squares. That means if you find the what? The square root of the first term and the last terms, you get what? You get a rational number or a whole number. Does it make sense? Now, square root of m squared is what? M. Square root of 49 is plus or minus 7. But I'll take plus 7 because of the sign I'm having here. Because of the sign of plus, as in of b that I'm having here. Does it make sense? Now, the second condition for something to be a perfect square says 2 times the product of the square root. 2 times the product of the square root of the first and last terms. The product of the square root of the first and last terms is what? Square root of the first term is m, and square root of the last term, we've got in plus 7. Now, what's their product? Product means what? Times. M times plus 7 will give us plus 7 what? M. Then they said that 2 times the product, 2 times this product, 2 times the product of the square root of the first and last terms, 2 times 7m will give us the middle term. Now, what's the middle term? The middle term here I have there is what? dm. Does it make sense? Now, 2 times 7m is what? 14 what? M is equals what? d what? M. By relation, or if you divide both sides by m, you will definitely find out that the value of d is 14. That's over m, divide both sides by what? Over m. Cancel, 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 cancel. We are left with 14 equals d, meaning that the value of d is equals what? 14. So for this quadratic equation to be a perfect square, it must exist in the form m squared plus d is 14 plus 14m plus 49 equals to what? 0. And that's the what? Answer. I hope you understand. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Courses Academy. Bye-bye.